Orders Overview. This tutorial will provide an overview to our ordering section. To view your order, please go to the Orders tab and then Orders. Then click View Orders. The items that you see on this page only reflect items that are monitored by the software. Items that are not being monitored by the software will not show up on this section, even though the eBay account is connected. In the columns, you will see several details associated with the orders. Most importantly, the order ID, account, and of course all the rest of the details. The status is also very important. There are 5 types of statuses on the order page. Pending. Salefreaks has identified an order and knows it needs to be fulfilled. Error. The order has failed to process automatically. Purchased. Our auto order system or the seller has purchased the item on Amazon. Shipped. Amazon has added tracking information to the order which indicates it has been shipped. Cancelled. This will only show when you cancel an order manually. To view the complete information and status of the order, click on the texted area. A new tab will open. In the tab, you will be able to view all the information associated with the purchase timeline plus fees and final profit, the buyer information, the additional purchase information, which can also be overwritten and edited, the shipping information if it is available. Going back to the main order page, you are also able to click on Advanced and filter through your order by eBay store, status, order type, order dates, and many other variables that will give you almost any filter available. This video has provided a brief overview of the general information you receive in our main order page. In the following videos, we will explore further functions such as dealing with purchase issues and manual ordering.